website, a bunch of stuffs about the website. If you scroll down, you see make money, 81 legit ways to make money online, 150 legitimate work from home jobs, 49 high paying online survey sites. You can make money, you can save money, and they give away some free stuff. 100 awesome sites to get free books, 150 places to get birthday freebies. Alright, so this is the website, but this is not exactly where we're going to go. We're going to go to a page on the website, and it's moneypantry.com/get paid to write. Alright, so that's right there. Alright, so this is the page. So you're seeing get paid to write. 101 sites that pay $50 to $3,000 per blog post. There are a lot of websites that need articles. There's as many websites as grains of sand in the beach, and all these websites need articles. They need posts, and those posts are going to have to be written by people. So you just need to join the league of people that are writing articles for other people, and then you get paid. Alright, so a bunch of stuffs here. Sites that pay you to write about vacation and travel, $450 per post, 220 euros per post. But I want you to scroll down to there. Sites that pay you to write about general interests. So let's assume you are someone like me, a regular guy. You probably don't know how to write about specific topics. Then this one is very, very good for you. This one just requires you to write about the daily stuffs that you do, nothing spectacular, and it pays between $100 to $300 per post. So we're going to go ahead and click it. So this is the website, Vibrant Life Philosophy. Vibrant Life is a bi-monthly lifestyle magazine that promotes physical health, mental clarity, and spiritual balance from a practical perspective. Okay, one or two stuffs about the website here and there, but this is where I want you to pay attention to. Manuscripts. Articles should focus on one topic and stay with that subject till the end. Short articles, 450 to 660 words, are always in demand. So this is incredible. 450 to 650 words, that's just about an hour of writing if you want to use your hand to write it, and then potentially make up to $300, which is a lot of money. So the reason why short articles are in high demand is because the average attention span of humans is reducing by the day. If you put up an article of 1,500 words, people will probably not read it to the end, so it's much better to put up short articles, and that is an advantage. Writing a 1,500 word article is going to be much difficult than writing a 450 word article. So the shorter the article, the better, and since it's in high demand, that's an added bonus. So whatever you're doing, you just need to make sure that you keep it within the range of 450 to 750 words if it is part of the specification given to you by Vibrant Life. So you just need to go ahead, sign up, read their guidelines, register, and then when they give you an article to write, you have a couple of options. So this is the point in this video where I'm going to share exactly how you can go about writing these articles and making it as professional as possible. So at this point, you have a couple of options. Your first option is to go to freelancing websites like fiverr.com. Okay. So when you get to Fiverr, you can search for article writing. There, article writing. So you can see people that charge under $35. See somebody charging $25, $35, $50, $25, $5. That's something. So these people charge significantly less, whereas on Vibrant Life you can get paid as much as $100 to $300 per post. So what you just need to do, one option will be to pay someone on Fiverr between $10 to $50 to write the article for you. Let's say $35. And then you get paid, let's say $150 on Vibrant Life. If you get paid $150 on Vibrant Life and you paid someone $35, that leaves you with about $115 in profits, and that is a really good deal. This is like an aspect to drop servicing. I might do a video on drop servicing in the future if you guys want me to. Drop services is essentially when you claim to provide a service. Let's say you claim to provide graphic design services, and then you get a contract for, let's say, $500 on graphic design, and then you outsource that project. You give the project to someone who's going to do it for you for, like, let's say $50 to $100. So you just collect it and give it back to the client and collect your $500 from the client. So the $400 is your profit. That's job servicing in a nutshell. So this is kind of job servicing, not really, but it's an aspect to it. So if you don't want to write the article at all, you just come to Fiverr, find someone who's going to write it for you, and then you go ahead and submit it back at Vibrant Life. There's another website that is very similar to Vibrant Life. That website is called textbroker.com. So this is textbroker.com. You can go ahead and sign up, or you can log in if you already have an account. You can see here I need content, here I write content. So Textbroker is more or less the Netflix of articles. You know, on Netflix, the movies there, believe it or not, most of them are not produced by Netflix. Netflix pays the producers of the movies and then makes their money off renting it. So on this website, the articles here are not written by the owners of the website. A lot of people come here, write articles, get paid, and then the website does whatever they want to do with the articles. So we're not here to get articles, we're coming here to write articles. So you just get over here, you sign up, and then when they give you an article, you can go to Fiverr, which is one of the ways I recommend. Have someone on Fiverr write the article for you, come back and submit. If you're getting some value out of this video, please go ahead, smash that like button. It really helps the channel to grow, and share this video with someone who you know is going to help. And then we'll move to the second method. So one other thing you can do is to go to Quora.com. So this is Quora.com. On Quora, you can find articles on anything and everything. So let's assume you needed to write an article on, let's say, how to eat healthy or something of that nature. So you see how to eat. Let's see. Yeah. So let's see how to eat healthy if I'm poor. All right. So let's take a look at this article. So here's the article. You can read more if you want to. So this is a very good article. So all you need to do is to this is a very long one, I must say. So what you need to do is to read the article, digest it, and then compress it, reduce it, but don't just summarize. You need to give it your own twist, add a little bit of your own experiences here and there. Just read the article, learn something from the article, and then relate it to your experience so far in this life, your journey so far in this life. Just add a little twist to it, your own personal experience, so that you can make it your own, make it a little bit original, and then you go ahead and submit it back at Money Pantry or at Text Broker. So these are the two options. So this is really good. This is one good way to make money online. And if you don't want to write for people, you can write for yourself on Medium. I'm going to make a dedicated video on how to make money from Medium. It's trending these days and it's really nice. If you do want to see that video on how to make money on Medium, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. And just as a little bonus, there are so many other websites that pay you to write articles. So all you just need to do is to Google get paid to write articles. Get paid to write articles. You search it on Google, and then you see a ton of websites that pay $500 or more. You know, so you can always go through all these blog posts, go to the websites that pay that amount of money. So Early American Life, here are 17 magazines that pay you $500 or more for articles. So there are a lot of them, there are loads of them. So you just go there, try and get an article to write, head over to Fiverr, pay someone less, significantly less, write the article, submit it back. Or you can go ahead to Quora, find similar articles, read them, give it your own twist, and then write it, or you can record it over Google Docs, whichever one